The human digestive system plays a crucial role in breaking down ingested food into smaller molecules that can be absorbed and utilized by the body. Nutrient absorption primarily occurs in the small intestine, where the majority of digestion takes place. Here's an overview of the role of the human digestive system in nutrient absorption. Ingestion. The process begins with the ingestion of food, which involves taking food into the mouth. Chewing and mixing food with saliva start the mechanical and chemical breakdown of carbohydrates through the action of enzymes like amylase. Digestion in the stomach. Food then travels to the stomach, where it undergoes further mechanical digestion through churning and mixing with gastric juices. Gastric juices contain hydrochloric acid and pepsin, which break down proteins into smaller peptides. Chyme formation. The partially digested food, now called chyme, moves from the stomach to the small intestine. The stomach releases chyme into the small intestine in controlled amounts. Pancreatic enzymes and bile. In the small intestine, pancreatic enzymes, such as amylase, lipase, and protease, and bile from the liver and gallbladder further break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into simpler molecules. Bile helps emulsify fats, breaking them into smaller droplets and increasing their surface area for enzymatic action. Absorption in the small intestine. The majority of nutrient absorption occurs in the small intestine, specifically in the walls of the jejunum and ileum. Nutrients are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream and lymphatic system. The small intestine is lined with tiny, finger-like projections called villi, and each villus is covered with even smaller projections called microvilli. This extensive surface area greatly enhances nutrient absorption. Carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugars, glucose, fructose, and galactose, and absorbed. Proteins are broken down into amino acids and absorbed. Fats are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol and then absorbed, primarily through the lacteals, which are part of the lymphatic system. Absorption of water and electrolytes. Along with nutrient absorption, the small intestine also absorbs water and electrolytes to maintain fluid balance in the body. Absorption in the large intestine. In the large intestine, water and electrolytes continue to be absorbed, and the remaining material is formed into feces. The large intestine does not play a significant role in nutrient absorption compared to the small intestine. Elimination. The remaining indigestible and unabsorbed materials are formed into feces and eliminated from the body through the rectum and anus. In summary, the human digestive system is responsible for the mechanical and chemical breakdown of ingested food and the subsequent absorption of nutrients in the small intestine. This process ensures that the body receives the essential components, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, needed for energy production, growth, and maintenance of overall health.